Hello and welcome back to Steve with Steve. So we're going to move back into doing some more of these practice modes because we've just finished and they just got revealed. So let's have a look and see what we've got down here. So down the bottom here, we've got Riddling Kith Maze as a practice. Let's have a look and see what this happens. So if at first you go astray, change your loop to find the way. That's kind of cool.
Code Combat.
So hero must survive, must do under 7 statements.
Move right.
So think of the solution, not the problem. So if we look here, looks like we're repeating the same pattern over and over a couple of times. So if we think about it, we're going to move right, then down 1, then across 2, then up 1. And then we're going to go across 1, down 1, across 2, up 1. Across 1, down 1, across 2, up 1, across 1. So it looks like we're always going like that pattern across. So it's going to be another while loop. So let's start this off again. Oh, we've already got some code here. So let's see what happens now.
Move right.
So we'll do move right,
Move down.
move down,
Move right.
move down.
Move down.
Not so
Move
ideal.
right.
So he's sort of
I can't get
trapped
there.
Okay.
Move down.
Not so good.
Oh!
Read the sample code to understand how loops work. Use a loop to get through the maze.
Okay, so we've analysed the problem already and we've got a pretty good idea. So he needs to move right, move down, and then he actually needs to move right again. So as a separate code, we need to move right, but we'll go 2 this time. And once he's finished that, then he needs to go back up. So hero.move up. And that should work. So now we'll move right, move down, move 2 across, then move up, and then it goes back to the beginning of the loop. So then move right, move down, move 2, then move up. So let's see how this goes.
Move right. Move down. Move right.
So it's moved right
Move
2,
up.
then it's moving up. Now it goes back
Move
to the
right.
beginning of the loop. So it's hero.move
Move
right,
down.
then move down,
Move
then
right.
hero.move right 2. Then we're going to move back up,
Move up. Move right.
move right,
Move down.
move down,
Move right.
move right 2,
Move up.
move up, and
Move
we're
right.
done. Fantastic.
Move down.
Awesome. So hopefully, yep, that's worked. Great. So that's given us another idea of how the loops could potentially work. So if we go back here, looks like we've got another practice run down here, which we'll have a go in the next session. So hopefully you've picked up a little bit more on how the loops actually work with this and how they can be a little bit more flexible. So we'll see you next time on Steam with Steve. Thank you.